Imagine-toi, hey, c'est gentil. Good morning. It's day 45. I'm actually just waiting for the sun to come up. And we're out. The sun's coming up in 15 minutes. And so I'm gonna cut in here for some warm coffee on our last day of walking. Come along. Come along. Come on. Looks like people left their heavy coinage just here on the wall. You can just take it off. Probably not my last cappuccino, but almost. This is after my coffee, about 10, 15 minutes later. We're hitting the road. I was watching some of the videos last night. I watched video number 1 and I couldn't believe that on day 1 it was raining. Remember that? Just incredible. It hit a lot of rain on this Camino. Look at the fog layer. So Francine took off about almost 3 hours ago. The sun comes up really late here, like 8:40, but it comes out at 7:40 in Italy. All right, this is our kilometers today. 20. Let's do this. There's a couple of videos I want to do when I get home. I want to make a compilation video of the entire journey and give you some backstory on some things that I didn't show originally. I also want to do a small bloopers video. There's been a couple of those. And one thing I really want to do is do a nature sights and sounds, like hour-long relaxation video. So I've got a couple of videos in mind for when I get back home. Which will be in 2.5 days. I'll be walking in my front door. It's been a long I miss home. You know, and looking at the overall population of the Camino, I'd say about 65% of the pilgrims, 65 are women. It's interesting, huh? See 2 people way back there, they're walking their dogs. A lot of the locals that live in the cities on the Camino walk the Camino path for exercise, somewhat. It's nice to see. You get to see dogs and pet them sometimes. And they always say, buen camino. passing under the roadway here. Hola. This is Santiago Airport right here. I've been kind of just waiting here, waiting for a plane to land or take off. This guy might go for a takeoff here. See if we can film him. Go for it, dude. Go. Well, it's turning much warmer. It's a perfect temperature right now. And I'm making my way to Santiago. Making good timing, although I lost a little bit of my pace going through the forest collecting eucalyptus seeds because I really want to grow a eucalyptus tree. Not only that, a Spanish Galician forest eucalyptus tree. And I know I can do it. No. Let's go to Santiago. Come on. We're just outside the Santiago airport, and there's some kind of monument kind of things here. Looks pretty well decorated. I think this just means we're entering the area of Santiago. That post back there said I still have 13 kilometers to go, but this is kind of cool, right? What do you think? Should I leave one of my Tivas there? Yeah. All right, let's go. Not far now, guys. I haven't seen a whole lot of this thing going on, hand holding, but I'm a big fan. I think that's so sweet. I can't even stand how sweet that is, right, babe? I just think it's sweet. This is the airport right here, Santiago Airport, and I'll be departing here. Seeing if there's a plane on the runway. No. I will be departing from here on the Thursday afternoon, and I'll catch a little hop over to Madrid, and then from Madrid I'll go to Napoli. First time I saw this was yesterday, and it just looks like somebody, took their popo and chucked it out, but that's a fungus, and that's the pretty cool fungus. We are passing right by the Santiago airport, as you can see. Trail goes right alongside the landing pad, what do you call it, runway. Got a passenger jet ready to take off. It's just above this hill, and I know it's a passenger jet from the sound of the engines. We're gonna duck into this nice, quiet little bar here. Come on, let's see what they have. We wouldn't get those out. Okay, thank you. I think he's coming to see me. Yep. I'm about, I think, 8 kilometers from the town, maybe 7, but I don't know because the last 3 of these markers have been looted, for lack of a better word. See, right there's the plaque that says, you know, how far you've got to go, and the last 3 have been ripped off. We're entering where Santiago is. It's down in this bowl here. 4.7. We are coming off the trail right now and entering the suburb of Santiago. Just the last 10 meters of the trail right here. Lots of pilgrims behind me. Here we go, off the trail. Okay, we still have, the sign says 4.180 to the cathedral. Let's see if we can see it from here. No, somebody went down. Somebody went down. Well, we got him up to help with this gentleman in front of me, and I went back to see if he needed any gauze or alcohol prep pads, and they said they have them. Entering, well, I entered the city limits for Santiago, just following the other pilgrims. Still looking for the cathedral. Guys, first sighted the cathedral at 1:41. You may be asking yourself, what did you do between seeing the cathedral and going on Facebook Live? Well, I spent it what I would call you know, my church. I think, Denise, you're a member of this congregation, right? Okay, almost ready for my Facebook Live. Oh my. This is where everyone's getting their ice cream. Nice. Oh, look at these. Well, we are here in Santiago Cathedral, everybody, and I am making my way to the albergue. And if you didn't catch the Facebook Live, well, here we are at Santiago Cathedral, and here's the cathedral. Is it marvelous? 45 days of walking, uninterrupted walking. Oh, there's a crowd coming in. Let's see what they say. made it. Just finding our way to the albergue so we can putz around town later. Right? It's very hot. It's like 84 degrees. Whew. Time for a beer, right? Mamma mia. Hola. Hola. First course, chicken cordon bleu, Spanish style. Funnily enough, the Pilgrim's office is open. Now, I wasn't going to go until like 5 a.m. because last time they like closed at 11, 12. But I'm watching Pilgrims go in. It's 5 p.m. I'm going to go get my Compostela. Let's go. Now, bear with me. I cannot film inside. Let's go. I'm gonna go get my certificate. The guy walking out with his certificate. Here we go. Here's the Compostela with my name on it, Latin name, which says that I've completed the Camino de Santiago. Can't believe I got the certificate this early, but it was open, so here it is. Here's my little cubicle, a little bed. Look who's next to me. Francina from Canada, right next to me, 105. What are the odds?
105, yes.
Right on.
Yeah. Oh, I did.
I like this albergue. No one about. Here we are.